हाउस चले, ऐसा मेरा निवेदन।
धन्यवाद। श्री गोला बाबूराव
सर,
वो केवल बिल के संबंध में अंकित होगा, बाकी अंकित नहीं होगा।
At the outset, I congratulate the government to introduce this postal shipping bill. Postal shipping bill is very important to regulate the shipping trade. What is this here? At least an opportunity to come.
कृपया उनको बोलने दीजिए माननीय सदस्य।
I really
डिस्टर्ब नहीं करे।
thank the government to introduce this bill because this is very important to regulate the shipping transport, shipping trade, not only in India but also in other countries. Now I have the suggestions. Now I wish to make that bill under class 3 removes the license for vessels owned by Indians doing trade in our territorial waters, including maritime zones. Our YSR party welcomes this bill and it removes the bureaucratic hurdles and gives better operational environment for Indian flag vessels engaged in postal trade. And second point, sir, I wish to make the relating clause 8 of the bill, which deals with the creation national postal and inland shipping strategic plan, new postal shipping routes, improvement of postal shipping operations, and assess traffic and postal
माननीय
shipping
सदस्य, ये
inland
बिल्कुल गलत
waterways.
है। आप इसको नीचे करिए।
Inland
गलत है।
waterways authority
माननीय
of India
सदस्य।
recently
माननीय सदस्य।
only 20 national waterways
ये बिल्कुल
and
गलत है।
cargo transportation and there are
माननीय
two waterways
श्रीमती
in
ममता
AP,
ठाकुर,
including
मुझे आपको नाम से पुकारना
and
पड़ेगा और इसको नीचे कर लीजिए।
I would like to
गलत है।
know from honorable
श्री-
minister what his ministry is doing to optimally
बाबू,
utilize
आप continue
inland
करें।
waterways for goods and passengers.
ये गलत है, गलत।
Sir, it is
सरासर गलत है।
because
आप
the transportation
सदन
of
की मर्यादा का हनन कर रही है।
1 kilometer comes
नीचे कर लीजिए।
by road and 1.45 by rail, less than 1 rupee by waterways. That's why it is very useful. Second point, sir, about postal shipping operations. One of the important parts of the important
No posters allowed already
is turnaround
indicated
time.
in part.
If you look
बात
at
मत करिए।
turnaround time, that is
इसको फोटो नहीं ले जाएगी।
so encouraging. It has gone up from 58 hours in 2019-20
आप
to 66 hours. in
माननीय सदस्य,
2024. This has
आप
status quo in
अधिकारों का
taking
पूरा
up many
उल्लंघन कर रही है। ये
projects under
प्रिविलेज है। आप
Sagarmala.
समझ लीजिए इसको।
So I would like to know from the honorable minister what additional steps ministry is proposing to take to improve the situation.
ठीक नहीं है, इसको
Sir, and one more important point, sir. This is one of the more
आप धन्यवाद।
of this
धन्यवाद।
legislation.
आपका
I
समय
am
समाप्त हो
saying this
गया।
because it
धन्यवाद, धन्यवाद।
it aligns with the country's
श्री देवासी सामंतराय, श्री देवासी सामंतराय।